Hey traders, Jason here, Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. In this video, we're going to go over Divergence. This is one of my favorite trades. It's my bread and butter. I'm going to just do a quick little review of what the Divergence trade is. I do have a my top 5 trading video course. It's a brand new video course that's out. There's a link down below in the description, and what this course is my top 5 trading strategies, and a lot of them tie in together, like the waterfall and the divergence, Fibonacci pullback, all these different things you could use. But in this video, we're just going to kind of go over and what is divergence, right? And how does it work? How can we use it to make money? So essentially, what divergence is when price makes a high, okay, price is going higher like this, but then the stochastic, and I like to use the stochastic with just the 3 showing on a 1-minute chart, where essentially when price is going up, stochastics should also be going up, right? And then when price rolls over, stochastics roll over. Now, in this case, price makes a lower high, so the stochastic should also make a lower high and then roll over. This is the way the market should work. Where divergence comes in is where price goes high, pulls back, stochastic goes high, pulls back, but then you see price make a higher high, like you see it here, okay? Here's the higher high, and then it rolls over, while the stochastic actually makes a lower high and then rolls over. And we could see this right here, okay, where stochastic goes up, and then you get the pullback, but you get a lower high. So let's kind of draw the zoom in on this area right here, and you could see price makes a high, pulls back, stochastic makes a high, pulls back, but then price makes the higher high and the stochastic makes the lower high. And that is usually signals a top or a bottom in the short term. That could lead to bigger moves, as it did, as you could see here. Look at this. Just this move here would have netted you a ton of money, bunch of points with very little risk. Now, I like to use the waterfall, right? And essentially the divergence, okay, is confirmed when we see this and price goes up and we're making new highs like we are here, and we're in what's called a reverse waterfall where we have higher lows. It's just pure price action, and then price breaks below, okay, right here we could see on this red candle, price broke below this candle's low, and that is what confirmed it. And then once price kind of broke, it started its downtrend all the way lower, and you would have just used this high as your stop. So you were literally looking at a couple points of risk to potentially gain maybe 30 or 40 points, or even more, right? Because we could see your entry would have been right around 38.04. This thing got all the way down to 37.60, right? So that's like, what, 45 points off that. If this is something that interests you, right, this divergence, I would really looking into my top 5 trading strategies. I can go over as one of my whole strategies, all my tips and tricks of how to trade the divergence, what to look for. There are certain ways to manage risk, and other entries that I give you all my little tips and secrets. And you also learn how to do the trade zones and the waterfall and all that. So there is a link down below in the description if you want to learn more about how all this is done. It's about 7 hours worth of video content, and we are having a special of only $2.99 currently for it. Again, links down below, or go to daytradingfearless.com to learn more about it. But hopefully this kind of helps you out, and until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.